ngathi uyangisulela ngifike ngikubuke kancane ngithi awubakithi lana hayi ngoba siyathithiza ingoba ngiyazi ukuthi akunawo amandla enyameni. Our weapons are not carnal, they are not military, they are not of the flesh, but our weapons are of the spirit. Asisashova izandla sesishova amaphupho kamoya. Lalela njengoba ngithi kuwe ibungifunela